Hey, it's Ray the Video Guy here, and today I am really excited to tell you about a brand new product that's going to help you to sell more local marketing services to local businesses. If you've ever tried to sell things like video marketing, mobile marketing, Facebook Messenger bots, or social media marketing, you know that it can be difficult at times to get everything that you need in order for somebody to trust you to make that purchase. Well, with this brand new product called AgencyBlitz, you're going to get everything you need in order to make that sale. You're going to get all of the agreements, all of the emails, all of the phone scripts, business cards, brochures, and an entire website to sell these services to the local marketers. In fact, let's take a look at exactly what you get on the inside of this right now. Okay, so I want to quickly show the AgencyBlitz website, the sales page, so you kind of get an idea. You can watch the video here from Mario, but what you're going to be getting with this is you're going to be getting 4 niches where you get a website so that you can sell to those businesses with that particular product. So for instance, the video marketing package, you'll get a website for selling video marketing to those businesses. You'll also get Facebook ad creatives so that you can create ads that you can focus towards those businesses. You're going to get web banners and Google ads so you can run those. You're going to get telemarketing scripts. So if you're on the phone, you're going to get all the different scripts that you're going to want to say to folks. And I'll show you what those are when we go on the inside in just a second. And of course, you'll get the bonuses on top of that. But let's take a look at the inside of the product so you kind of get an idea of exactly what you're getting here. So you can see here, this is AgencyBlitz. And the one that I've downloaded here is the video marketing. And just so you know, with this, we'll pull it up here if I can find the right piece here. There you go. Because you're going to get the video marketing agency kit. You're going to get the mobile app agency kit. You're going to get the social media marketing agency kit and the Facebook Messenger Bot Agency kit. So all 4 of those niches, or all 4 of those different types of services, you're going to get those products for. So here you can see this is the video marketing one. And inside here, you've got your commercial graphics area where you've got brochures. So you can see you got these brochures, and they come in Photoshop. So you can go in and you can just edit those with Photoshop or whatever tool you use. And then we've got another one here as well. So you got 2 of these. This is the front, this is the back. In here, you've got business cards that you can create for that agency. And you can see here, very nice, slightly different style. Just go in on Photoshop and make the changes to that and hit save, and you are done. You've also got the invoices. So if you need to make an invoice for selling your product to the client, you can come in here and they've got an invoicing template, 2 of them. So you'll instantly have that. And you've got letterhead. So you got your letterhead in here. So if you need to write a letter, you'll have that and it'll look nice and professional. So you get that with the package as well. You get your Facebook ads as we talked about here. Okay, so you can see this one here has the little the YouTube symbol there. All about video marketing. Okay, down here you've got your emails. So if you're going to be sending out emails, this is really good. Now, for instance, let's say that you use something like Lead Kahuna, like I do. Well, now you can take this and you can bring that into Lead Kahuna. When you pull your leads, you now know exactly what to write as an email sample. You got another one here as well. This is the cold email template. Okay, so you just use that to send out to the folks. And again, if you're using something like Lead Kahuna, this is perfect. In here, you got your script. So these are the call scripts. So this is if a call is received from the client after the email, this is the script that you can use. Here's another case study here with a script. You got your basic telemarketing script here, okay, and a second one here. And so whenever you're on the phone, you'll know exactly what to say in order to make the sale each and every time. Down here, you've got your video marketing agreement. So this is once you get a client, you can set up the agreement nice and easy, ready to go. And I know a lot of people struggle with that part of things, so that's good to have that there. You've got your web banners. Okay, so this is the different web banners that they have in here, and you got the Photoshop versions in here, all the different sizes for running Google ads. Okay, and of course you also have the actual website that you're going to have for the video marketing, which I'll show you right now. And then here's the video agency website that you'll get with this as well, so that you can easily set up all of your stuff inside of a website so your clients can come here after they receive your emails and make the purchase from you right there. So all of this is already ready for you. It's built in. You just have to come in, change your contact information so that they're calling you, and you're good to go. So not only will you get all of these different tools in order to sell video marketing, but you're going to get an actual website in order to sell all of these directly to the local businesses. So this is a very complete package. And again, you're going to get this for the video agency. You're also going to get it for the mobile. You're going to get it for the Facebook Messenger bots, and you're going to get it for the social media marketing. And then they actually do have an upsell where you're going to get 4 more. And I forget exactly what those are off the top of my head. I know one of them is SEO, and there's a few others in there, but it's the same type of thing. And they also have a set of videos that you can pick up in order to take the marketing to a whole new level. You'll get all the videos you need for that. And with this, you're going to get a lot of bonuses as well. So check all of those out. If you have any questions, of course, let me know. Okay, so there you go. That is AgencyBlitz. As you can see, this is a tremendous product for anybody looking to sell local marketing services. So if you sell things like video marketing, mobile marketing, Facebook Messenger bots, social media services, then this is going to help you to get in front of those businesses and make the sale. So if you're ready to start doing that, well, then you got to click the link down below this video. And of course, we've got some great bonuses that you can see by scrolling down the page as well. And if you have any questions, of course, please feel free to let me know. I'll be glad to answer them for you. Have a great week, and we'll see you next time. Done.